Wait, your next pair of glasses might replace your headphones, camera, translator, gaming monitor, and even your TV today. We're counting down 20 of the smartest AI and AR glasses that feel straight out of the future. Some can record in 4K, some give you a giant virtual screen anywhere, and others can translate conversations in real time. Trust me, you won't believe what's coming up near the end. Before we jump in, make sure to subscribe to TechStation so you never miss the latest game-changing gadgets. And if you want to grab any of these, you'll find all the buy links waiting in the description. Let's get into it. Ever miss the moment because you're busy pulling out your phone to record everything? Whether you're traveling, walking the city, or at events, you're always behind the screen instead of in it. Meet the Meta Ray-Ban Gen 2 Smart AI Glasses. Classic Wayfarer style with serious tech built in, hands-free 3K video, sharp photos, music calls, and Meta AI that answers you instantly. But here's the crazy part. Real-time translation and instant assistance while you're on the move. You go from constantly filming life to actually living it, while everything gets captured for you. Once you wear them, your phone starts feeling like it's holding you back. You ever go for a run, drive, or even walk outside, and you're constantly juggling earbuds, phone, and sunglasses at the same time? It's annoying. You're either not hearing your music right, or you're blocking the world out too much. That's exactly what these fix. Meet the Oho Sunshine Bluetooth Audio Sunglasses. Sunglasses and wireless audio in one clean frame. You get your music, calls, and navigation straight through the glasses while still hearing everything around you. No earbuds, no hassle, comfort stays all day. Battery lasts up to 10 hours, and they're built for sweat, sun, and movement. But here's the crazy part. You control everything with your voice. Calls, music, directions, hands completely free. So instead of stopping, adjusting, or fumbling with your phone, you just move and stay in flow. And once you experience that kind of freedom, regular sunglasses and earbuds start feeling like a step backwards. Ever try watching a movie or playing a game and feel like your screen just isn't enough anymore? Laptop's too small, TV's not always available, and you're stuck wishing for that real cinema feel. These RayNeo Air 3's Pro glasses fix that instantly. You get a massive 201-inch IMAX-level screen floating right in front of your eyes, anywhere you go. But here's the insane part. It's the brightest AR display ever made at 1,200 nits. So even dark movie scenes stay crystal clear instead of disappearing into black. Suddenly your Steam Deck feels like a theater. Your phone feels like a cinema, and your whole setup becomes portable. No room, no TV, no limits. Just pure immersion wherever you are. Once you try it, normal screens feel completely outdated. Ever leave a meeting and realize you barely remember what was actually said? Or struggle to communicate when you're traveling? It feels like you're always trying to keep up. These AI smart glasses take that stress away. They translate conversations in 165 languages, answer calls hands-free, play your music, and even use ChatGPT to summarize meetings and organize the key points for you. But this feature is ridiculously useful. The lenses automatically adjust from clear to dark depending on the sunlight, protecting your eyes without swapping glasses. Whether you're commuting, working, or exploring a new country, everything feels smarter and more effortless. Once you start wearing AI on your face, regular glasses feel like they're missing half the job. Ever tried gaming or watching movies on a tiny screen while everyone else is saying, just use a monitor? It kills the vibe. You're cramped, stuck, and never fully in it. That's where this changes everything. Meet the Lenovo Legion Glasses Gen 2, a full personal display you wear like glasses. Your games and movies turn into a massive, private screen right in front of your eyes. No setup chaos, no desk needed. Just plug in and play. Everything looks sharper, brighter, more alive, like carrying a theater in your pocket. But here's the insane part. You just connect one USB-C cable and your whole world becomes a floating FHD 120Hz screen instantly. So instead of staring at a small device, you're inside the experience. And once you get used to that level of immersion, normal screens start feeling completely outdated. You ever travel and feel completely cut off? No easy translations, no help, just guessing your way through everything. Or you're working, commuting, trying to do 3 things at once and your phone just slows you down. That's exactly what these fix. Meet Solus Ergo A5 AI Smart Glasses. It's like having ChatGPT right in your glasses, talk, translate, search, reply instantly, without pulling out your phone. Everything just happens in your ear, hands-free, in real time. But here's the insane part. You can speak in your language, and it translates live into 25 others while you're still talking. So travel stops feeling stressful. Conversations just flow. Work feels faster. Life feels smoother. No more awkward pauses. No more, let me check my phone. Once you wear these, going back to your phone for everything feels painfully slow. Your laptop and phone screens feel tiny the moment you travel. On flights, trains, or even your couch, you're stuck squinting at a small display. These XREAL One AR glasses change that instantly. You get a massive floating 500-inch screen for movies, games, and work anywhere. But here's the game changer. Just plug into your device and your world expands into ultra-smooth 120 Hz immersive visuals, even real 3D with spatial depth. Co-tuned Bose audio and zero setup tracking make it feel like a personal cinema anywhere with crystal clear immersion for long sessions without eye strain. Once you wear it, every other screen feels outdated. Ever pull out your phone to record a moment, and by the time you do, it's already gone? You're always behind the screen instead of actually living it. These Ray-Ban Meta smart glasses fix that instantly. They look like normal stylish sunglasses, but they capture everything you see in 12 MP's ultra-wide POV, hands-free. But here's the crazy part. You can talk, listen to music, take calls, and even ask Meta AI questions without touching your phone. It feels like having a second brain built into your glasses, guiding you in real time. Suddenly, you're not stopping life to record it anymore. You're just living it, and everything is captured automatically. Once you try it, going back to your phone feels slow and outdated. Ever wish your glasses could do more than just help you see? Imagine capturing memories, translating conversations, and getting instant AI answers without ever reaching for your phone. These AI smart glasses make that your new normal. Snap hands-free photos, record videos, answer calls, and ask your AI assistant anything with just your voice. But here's what makes it different. They can recognize what you're looking at, translate conversations in real time across 133 languages, and even switch between blue light, clear, and photochromic lenses in seconds. Whether you're traveling, working, or creating content, everything becomes faster and more effortless. Once you experience life with AI built into your glasses, ordinary eyewear feels like technology from the past. Ever wish you could record, translate, and take calls without pulling out your phone every 5 minutes? You're constantly switching between devices and still missing important moments. These AI smart glasses do it all from one lightweight frame. Capture crisp 4K videos, answer calls, record meetings, and get real-time translations with a simple voice command. But here's what blew my mind. They can even recognize objects around you and give instant information, turning everyday life into a hands-free smart assistant experience. Plus, the photochromic lenses automatically adjust from bright sunlight to indoor lighting. Whether you're traveling, working, or exploring, everything feels simpler, faster, and more natural. Once you wear these, carrying extra gadgets starts to feel completely unnecessary. Ever miss the perfect moment because your phone wasn't ready, or struggle to communicate when you're traveling abroad? It's frustrating when technology slows you down instead of helping. These AI smart glasses fix both. They capture hands-free 4K videos and photos while giving you a built-in AI assistant for instant answers, translations, and everyday help. But here's the part people don't expect. They can recognize objects around you, answer calls, and play music through open-ear audio, all while keeping your hands free and your eyes on the world. Whether you're exploring a new country, documenting your adventures, or just getting through your day, everything feels effortless. Once you wear them, reaching for your phone starts to feel like old technology. Ever tried vlogging while traveling and realized your phone just isn't enough? You're holding it, missing moments, and looking like a tourist the whole time. Imagine just wearing glasses that record everything for you. These EarlySincere AI camera glasses change that instantly. You shoot in 4K hands-free, hear calls through open-ear audio, and even talk to ChatGPT like a personal assistant. But here's the insane part. It can translate over 100 languages in real time while you're talking to someone face-to-face. No phone juggling, no awkward pauses. Just natural conversations and instant content. It turns every trip, meeting, and drive into effortless content creation. Once you use them, going back to your phone feels impossible. Still watching movies and playing games on a tiny screen? Once you notice how much you're missing, it's hard to go back. The RayNeo Air 3s transforms your phone, laptop, or console into a massive 201-inch private display you can take anywhere. Crisp visuals, smooth 120Hz performance, and immersive sound that pulls you into every scene. But here's what makes it different. It blocks almost all outside light and keeps your audio private, so your personal theater stays personal, whether you're on a flight, in a cafe, or relaxing at home. Suddenly, every movie feels bigger, every game feels more intense, and every screen feels limitless. After experiencing entertainment like this, regular displays just don't hit the same. Ever tried traveling abroad and felt stuck holding your phone the entire time? You miss moments, you struggle with language, and recording feels awkward. These Rokid AI glasses change that. You get a hands-free 12MP camera, real-time translation, and a built-in AI assistant that understands what you see and say. But here's the game changer: you can talk to ChatGPT or Gemini just by your voice while it captures your world from your eyes. No screen, no typing, no pulling out your phone. Just walk, talk, and create. Trips feel effortless, conversations flow, and every moment is captured like a memory upgrade. Once you wear them, travel without them feels impossible. Ever try watching movies or gaming on a tiny screen and feel like you're missing the whole experience? You end up squinting, adjusting brightness, and still not getting that cinema feeling. These RayNeo Air 4 Pro glasses fix that instantly. You plug in and get a massive 201-inch HDR10 virtual display with ultra-rich colors and smooth 120Hz motion right in front of your eyes. But here's the crazy part. It upgrades normal video into HDR-like clarity in real time, so even older content looks sharper, brighter, and way more cinematic. Suddenly your phone, Switch, or Steam Deck feels like a full IMAX theater you can carry anywhere. No setup, no space limits, just instant immersion wherever you are. Once you experience it, normal screens feel completely outdated. Ever feel like your phone, laptop, or console just can't give you enough screen space anymore? You're stuck, squinting at small displays, juggling apps, and still missing the immersion you want. This Rokid AR Joy Pack changes that instantly. You plug in and get a massive floating 215-inch OLED screen anywhere you go. But here's the insane part. It comes with a full Android TV station, so you're not just mirroring your phone. You're running a full entertainment system in your pocket. Streaming, games, cloud gaming, all on a giant private screen. Suddenly your travel, couch time, or hotel nights feel like a personal cinema and gaming setup. No setup stress, no space limits, just instant immersion anywhere. Once you try it, normal screens feel completely outdated. Ever feel like your phone, laptop, or Steam Deck screen just isn't enough anymore? You're always zooming in, squinting, or stuck in one tiny display. These XREAL One AR glasses fix that instantly. You plug in and get a massive 147-inch floating screen right in your vision. Smooth, sharp, and private anywhere you go. But here's the game changer. The X1 chip gives you native 3DoF tracking with ultra-low latency, so the screen stays perfectly stable, like it's reality anchored in space. No lag, no shake, no distractions. Suddenly your games feel cinematic. Your movies feel like a theater, and your work feels like a multi-monitor setup in the air. Once you try it, Going back to a normal screen feels impossible. Ever tried working, gaming, or watching movies and still felt like you never have enough screen space? You're constantly switching tabs, shrinking windows, losing focus, and getting frustrated. This Rokid AR Spatial setup changes that instantly. You get a full 3-screen floating workspace or cinema right in your vision. But here's the crazy part. You can run 3 apps at the same time, pinned in space like a real multi-monitor setup, while the screen stays stable even when you move your head. Suddenly your games feel like a full theater, your work feels like a command center, and your entertainment feels endless. No desk limits, no small screens, just pure spatial freedom. Once you experience it, every normal screen feels completely outdated. Still gaming or watching movies on a tiny screen? It feels like you're missing half the experience. You're on a plane, in bed, or stuck at a desk, wishing you had real setup. Meet the VITURE Luma Ultra XR glasses. Your entire world turns into a massive 152-inch cinematic display you wear. Everything becomes sharper, faster, more immersive. Gaming feels alive. Movies feel like a private theater. Work turns into a multi-screen setup anywhere. But here's the game changer. It doesn't just mirror your screen. It builds a spatial 3D world around you with clear optics, instant darkening, and next-level depth that reacts like real space. No desk, no monitor, just pure immersion anywhere. Once you try this, every screen feels outdated. Ever tried working or gaming on a laptop and felt like the screen is just not enough anymore? You're stuck hunched over, switching tabs, losing focus, wishing for more space. These XREAL One Pro AR glasses fix that instantly. You get a massive 171-inch floating display right in front of your eyes. Sharp, smooth, and private anywhere you go. But here's the game changer. With the X1 spatial chip and real 3D support, your screen stays locked in space or follows your head naturally. So it feels like a real multi-monitor setup in the air. Suddenly, your Steam Deck, Mac, or phone turns into a full cinematic workspace or theater. No desk setup, no distractions, just pure focus or immersion. Once you use it, every regular screen feels like a downgrade. That wraps up our favorite AI and AR smart glasses, transforming the way we work, travel, game, and stay connected. If one of these caught your eye, you'll find all the buy links down in the description. Don't forget to subscribe to TechStation for more incredible gadgets and future tech every week. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.